Hello, I'm Sri from CBTU. CBTU presents a course on Python language, section Class Inheritance, MRO, Method Resolution Order. Agenda for this session: multiple inheritance, diamond inheritance problem, and Python solution to that, MRO. Let us recap class inheritance. We don't need to write new code every time, but can create any number of instances of a class. With inheritance, we can add extra features in child instances, besides inheriting everything from parent class. If new attributes or methods have the same name as that of parent class, they are used overriding parents' attributes and methods. When a class is derived from multiple base classes, it is called multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance brings method resolution issue. Let us see the diamond inheritance problem. An ambiguity arises when two classes B and C inherit from A and class D inherits from both B and C. If there is a method in A that B and C have overridden and D doesn't override it, then which method does D inherit? That of B or C? There is a solution to this in Python called Method Resolution Order, MRO. Python order of inheritance is based on list of classes using C3 superclass linearization algorithm or method resolution order, MRO. That algorithm enforces two constraints. Children precede their parents, and if a class inherits from multiple classes, they are kept in the order specified in the tuple of base classes. And method resolution order will be DBCA. Let us see a demo. Let us have the diagram as well. All classes inherit from object. Class C is the derived class from A and B base classes. Class E is derived class of class C and D. And we have class F. This is derived from E. Every object will have one or more paths to reach to the object class. To keep the base classes from being accessed more than once, Python manages it by MRO, method resolution order. Let us see the example. We have blank classes defined here A to F. As class need to have at least one line and the pass statement is here to fulfill that requirement. Let us enter Python shell, create all classes. Class C is a derived class from base classes A and B. Class E is derived class from C and D. Class F is derived class from E. Okay, done with class creation. Let us see dir. We have all the classes here. Let us create an instance of class F. Let us see dir. Okay, let us check is it instance of object. We got two functions to check multiple inheritance. Isinstance, issubclass. Each instance is used to check instance type true or false. Is it an instance of class? Let us check F. Let us check is it an instance of E? It's true, as it is derived class. Of course, F is at the bottom, so it is derived class of all the classes above. This is true. Let us create an instance for class A. Let us check if A is an instance of F. False. A is instance of E. False. Is it instance of object? Let us check. Yes. Every class is instance of object class. F. Yes, it's true. Let us say dividing 1 by 0 gave 0 division error. Let us check is it instance of object? Yes, it is. We have another function to check subclass, is subclass, to check class inheritance. Let us check that. F object, it's true. F is subclass of E, true. So let us check reverse. E is subclass of F, false. Okay. Now let us check MRO, method resolution order of class of all the inherited classes. This is the order in which the resolution takes place. F followed by E, C, then A, the upper class, and if an attribute or method is not resolved, then it will check B, and then it comes down to lower order, checks with D, and finally, if the method is not found, if it is not resolved, it checks the class object, which is the parent class of all classes. Let us check A dot MRO. It's a subclass of object. So let us say purposefully this is syntax error without parentheses. We got missing parenthesis, that's the error. Let us check syntax error. Is it a subclass of object? Yes, it is. Let us check method resolution order for syntax error. This is subclass of exception, then base exception. Finally, it is under object. Let us check one more. So we have not inputted anything. It's an indented block. Let us check a marker for this. This is subclass of syntax error, then exception, then base exception. Finally, under object master class. Each instance is used to check instance type. Each subclass is used to check class inheritance. Is it a subclass of a specific class? All classes inherit from object, so any case of multiple inheritance provides more than one path to reach the object, where MRO comes into picture to resolve the resolution order. Return a new featureless object. Object is a base for all classes. It has the methods that are common to all instances of Python classes. This is a help text about isinstance and isubclass. This is about Python classes, multiple inheritance, method resolution order, MRO. Thanks for watching.